Damn it, man. What's up, y'all? Michael, man. My custom. It's fucking raining outside. We're out here receiving delivery on a Dodge Charger. Gotta make sure we do it as safe as possible. Although it is raining, bear with me. I am trying to keep the lens clean. Everything looks good. From what I'm told, it doesn't drive. Sorry about the pole. I did YouTube. It's really cool. Super dope, super dope. Apparently the car does not turn on. I was told it does turn on. So we're gonna go ahead and park it as close as we can to the curb and go from there. I'll probably make this like just a little longer and I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Like, subscribe, comment. It's late out at night.